This is the second tutorial on loops, and in this tutorial we're going to look at while loops in a little bit more detail. So while loops, like for loops, will repeat some code. However, what while loops will do is repeat that code until a condition is met. So until a condition turns from true to false, the while loop will continue to repeat. So I'm going to make another program similar to the program we made in the for loop tutorial. I'm going to make a program that can count up to 10. So I'm going to start by first of all creating a variable that's going to keep track of the condition. I need to make a condition that will be able to stop, so I'm going to create a count variable and I'm going to set it equal to 0. And I'm going to use the keyword while, and I'm going to say while count does not equal 11, and I'm going to use my colon, and you'll notice it's indented inside of the loop. I'm going to print count, and then I'm going to increase count by 1. Now I like to do that. Some people just like to put plus equals, but that's the way I do it. So I'm going to run my code now. Once it's connected to the server, you can see my while loop is going to count all the way up to 10. Now as soon as count becomes 11, so when it's printed 10, it will increase count to 11. As soon as it becomes 11, it stops looping because that condition is now